so I've been seeing these puffy backgrounds all over the place, so I figured why not do it on a set of nails. Start off with your base of choice. I have my base acrylic, and I'm starting off with this rubber base. Drawing a heart with the least amount of product as possible. This is going to be our slip layer. Do not cure it, and then you want to take a blob of that rubber base and kind of spill it on there. So this way it gets that really puffy effect and it'll fill in those lines. I'm doing 2 hearts per nail, so you'll see me doing the second one here. Repeat the process and then cure it. Now for the outer part. So you'll see me tracing around the heart with, again, a thin layer. Make sure you're outlining the heart but not touching the heart with the slip layer. This is key to get that puffy indent. You really don't need to build this part up because we're doing our slip layer, and then you're going to see me piling on the product with the bigger blobs all around, still filling in those places. You'll see me kind of pulling it in right here, and then I'm going to kind of push it around where I need to go, but the self-leveling of the rubber base is going to fill in all those little spaces for me as well, but I like to kind of help it and aid it into where I need it to be. Next, I've cured that. Then I'm going in with another layer, or slip layer, and then I'm going to be pooling a little bit more product. This layer, I'm not going as thick. I'm just going to kind of like build it up to where I want it to be. And fun little fact, then I'm taking the nail, flipping it upside down. This way the gel can kind of stand up a little bit more. You can repeat this process as many times as you want to get the desired thickness of the puff that you want, but I think I'm happy with how it looks right here. Whenever you're done, fully cure it. Then you want to go in with a top coat and make sure you're using a thin enough layer, because in those little crevices of the hearts, you don't want it to pool because then it'll take away from that puffy look. And boom, there you have it. You have these super cute puffy heart nails, perfect for Valentine's Day, I must say. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!